Hey, this is Rick. Today we're going to talk about the required maintenance light on some vehicles. It's called the check engine light. This is my 2014 Toyota Corolla. We uh, we usually use a dealership to get the oil changes. When we bought it, we had a ton of free oil changes. I took advantage of that. Now those are over, so I'm going to start changing my own oil. However, it does take full synthetic oil, and the dealership will only change the oil after every 10,000 miles, but the required maintenance light comes on every 5,000 miles. So that means in the middle of the oil changing period of time, you have to reset the light, or you could actually have them do it, but that's a hassle going to anybody and having them do it. It's just easier to do it yourself. So this is how we're going to do. We're going to turn out the light. Okay, so let's do this. So first, let me turn the car on, and I'll show you that the maintenance required light is on currently. So what you need to do is there is a display button here. Every car is going to be different. I'm just showing you how to do it on my car. Um, there's tons of stuff on YouTube that you can research to find your make and model. And every car has a different series of events that it takes to do this. But for this car, you hit this display button until you get to the trip A. So when it says trip A, you just hold the display button down and just hold it until it goes to 0, and then release the display button. After that point, you're going to turn the car off. Then I'm going to have to set the phone down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the display button and turn the key all the way like you're going to start the car, but stop it right before it starts. So there'll be, so let's see if I can do that with this hand. So I'm pushing the display button, and 1, 2, and that's right before the check maintenance light will be flashing. It went out. Trip A says 0, and then you let go of the display button. So this should be good. Let's try it out. We'll go ahead and start the car, and that light should be out. And there you go. That's how you turn out your engine check light or your maintenance required light. Every vehicle that I've ever owned has been different. It's magic, I guess. It's what the manufacturers do to all the different vehicles. So feel free, when you want to do this, you want to do your own oil changes, just research it online. YouTube is a great resource. If you don't feel comfortable, or if you can't figure out how to do it, um, I said again. So go to an auto parts store. A lot of times they can plug it in and reset it, or you can just go to the dealership and have them reset it. So there you go. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.